Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today, we're going to be making a very hungry caterpillar craft. Here's what the finished product should look like. You're going to need glue, a googly eye, a hole puncher, a black marker, 6 small pom-pom balls, 1 large pom-pom ball, and a green sheet of paper shaped like a leaf. So first, you're going to grab your green leaf. I'm going to set that down right in front of you. Then you're going to grab your large pom-pom ball, and you're going to glue it right about here. So in the center, really close to the tip of the leaf. Like this. Then you're gonna grab your next pom-pom ball, and it's gonna be one of the smaller ones. And you're gonna put it right next to the red one. Now these can be any color you want. I'm doing mine in the rainbow order, but you can do them any color you want. Then you're gonna keep doing that with the rest of the pom-pom balls. This is what it should look like. Next, you're going to grab your black marker. You can draw little feet under each pom-pom ball, like that. And then I like to draw some antenna coming out of the largest one. Like that. Next, you're gonna grab your googly eye, and then you're gonna glue it onto the largest pom-pom ball. Like that. Then, you're going to get your hole puncher, and you're going to punch 4 to 5 holes down at the bottom of the sheet. Like that. And those represent the bites that the hungry caterpillar takes out of the leaf. And then, finally, you're going to grab your marker again, and you're going to write at the top, the very hungry caterpillar. Now this is optional, but I like to do this so then you can show people and they can know what it is. And there you go, the very hungry caterpillar. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and please like and share this video. Bye!